Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to install Automatic 1111 with the Stable Diffusion model 1.5. First, you need to install some programs, and the first one we're going to install is Python. I'm going to leave all the links in the description below, that way you can access them. The version I'm using of Python is a 3.10.6, and once you go to this website, you want to go all the way down here to Files and download one of these depending on your computer or Windows, 64-bit or 32-bit, and you can download the one your Windows runs. And then you want to go to the next program, is called Git Bash, and you're going to download one of these two as well, 32 or 64. And then after that, we're going to go to this website here called huggingface.co. You're going to create an account here, because this is what's going to let us use the models that we need for Stable Diffusion. So once you create the account, you're going to go to the search here, and you're going to type in a runway. And once you type in runway, this should pop up here where it says Stable Diffusion v1-5, and just click on that, and that's going to take you to the model card. When you come to the model card, it's going to ask you to accept the terms and conditions here. So for me, it doesn't do it because I already accepted it, but yeah, you pretty much just accept that, and that way you can use their model card. So once you do that, you're going to go here to Files and Versions, and then you're going to want to download this model here, the one that says email only. And just click here on the arrow, and it should start downloading. It's 4 gigabytes, so it's going to take some time to download. But we're going to move this to a folder in a little bit. So make sure you download that because we need it. After that, we're going to start the process. So now we're going to go here on the search on the Windows here, and you're going to type in CMD and open it, the command prompt here. And you're going to type in git space clone space. And then you're going to go to this website, which I'm going to leave in the description. And you're going to click on code here. Once you click on code, copy this right here. Just click on it, and it will copy it. And then you want to paste it here, and then hit enter. So what this is going to do is going to install all these files that are here on our computer, our C drive. So we're done with this. We can close this. And now we want to look for that file. So that file, the way to find it is going to be going to a new file explorer. We're going to go to this PC. We're going to go to our C drive, and then users, and then the name of your computer. Mine, I have it as user, so I'll just click on user there. And then we look for Stable Diffusion Web UI. And we're going to open this file here. And now that file we downloaded from that website, we're going to put here. So we're going to go to models, then we're going to go to Stable Diffusion, and here it says put Stable Diffusion checkpoints here. So that's where we're going to put that file. So I have it here. Yours should be on the downloads folder. I have mine here. I'm just going to paste it there. So go back to models, Stable Diffusion, and paste it there. Once you have that there, we're going to go back to the main folder right here, and we want to scroll all the way down, and we're going to right click this file, the one that's batch file, web UI user batch file. We're going to right click it, we're going to edit it, and on the set Python, we're going to put the directory where the program is. So go down here to Windows, type in Python, and you're going to right click the program here and open file location. Then it takes us to the shortcuts, but we need the actual program, so we're going to right click it again and open file location. And then here we can see that this is the actual program, so we're going to click up here for the address, and we're going to copy it. We're going to go back here to this section where it says set Python, and we're going to paste that there. And we're going to add /python.exe. And then after that, we're going to go to this one here, the command line one, and we're going to type in dash dash X formers. And what this does is helps the graphics card to load or generate images easier on Stable Diffusion. So it's going to install that for us when we put that there. Then we're going to hit enter, and down here we're going to put a git pull, and what this does is just updates the software every time we open it automatically when we add that there. And then we're just going to hit save. So once that's saved, we can close this out. And now we're going to open, we can close this window for Python. And now we're going to open the web UI user. So we double click it. And it's going to start downloading all the dependencies and all the files it needs. So this is going to take some time, probably like 5 minutes around there. So just let it run, and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so once it's completely installed, you can see all the files that installed here. It's going to leave us this link right here, and we're just going to copy this. And we're going to go to our browser, open a new window, and paste it. And this is going to open the program. This is how it looks. The first thing you want to do is add that checkpoint, that 4 GB file we downloaded. So you just right click here, just click here and select it. Then here you pretty much write whatever image you want to generate. So let's put a cat wearing a hat. Let's put that. And then once we do that, we go here on the sampling steps. This is just the amount of steps it's going to take to generate the image. And then a DDIM. And sorry, this here in this section here is just the engines it uses to generate them. So the best ones are going to be Euler A and DDIM are the ones that I use the most, but you can try any of them and see which one you like more. Then this is just the size of the picture, how big it's going to be. With this model, most of them were generated at 512 by 512. So I just leave it at that, and they come out with good quality, so it's good. And then here on batch count, this is the amount of pictures you want it to generate. I normally leave it at 4, so I can pick out of the 4 that it generates which one I like more. And then here on CFG, this is just going to follow the prompt you put here. So the more you fill this up, the more it's going to try to get that. It doesn't always work right. I try to keep it around 10 to 13. I'll leave it at 10 right here for now. And after you said that, you're just going to hit generate here or click on it, and it'll start generating. The first time might take a little bit to start loading, so we'll see. And as you can see, this command window here shows when it's generating if you want to click on it, but you can see how it's moving up here. And let's wait till it generates an image for us. So I put 4, so it should generate 4 images right here. So there we go. And then we can click on each one of them if we want. Cat wearing a hat. There we go. We got a few. And if you don't like any of them, just go ahead and click generate again. You can also change the prompt, add something else. Cat riding a bicycle, a dog wearing a suit. All these things you can type in here, anything you want to generate. And the program will try to generate something according to the prompt you put here. There you go. So this is still the same prompt, cat wearing a hat, and we got some other pictures here of cats wearing a hat. Hey, you can get really creative with this, and like I said, create different commands. You can up the samples, it creates other things. Let's put it at 40 samples. It's going to take a little bit longer because it's more sampling. And yeah, it also depends on your graphics card. So if you have a good graphics card, I have an RTX 2070, so it's not very beefy, but it does the job. So let's wait here. And see there, There we go. So we got better quality by upping the sampling. At least I feel like it was better quality. It is better quality. So we got that picture, we got that one, we got that one, and we got that one. Those are the 4 pictures that generated. Let's say you like this one and you want to work with it more. What you want to do is you want to copy the seed, because if you hit generate, it's going to erase this picture. So you're going to copy this seed number here over here where it says seed. So let's copy it there. And now let's say I want more sampling. I want this to have more sampling or spend more time on this image. So let's put it on 90. And let's take off the batch count because I don't want more images, just this one. And we'll hit generate. And there we go. So it changes the images for us because of the sampling. If I brought it back to where I had it, 40, that image will come back. You'll see here. Let's generate it again. Yeah, see, we got the same image back. But yeah, you can up the CFG scale. That might change the image as well. But yeah, you can play with the program. Let's say you want to see all these pictures. They're going to go to that folder, the Stable Diffusion folder that we opened, and they're going to be under outputs, and we're doing text to image. So you open this, and then we have all the pictures that it generated for us. It also keeps the C number right here. If you want to copy that and paste it here, you can generate the same image again. And that's all. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe if it helped you. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.
Right. Good stuff.